Okay, so here we are in Munich. I'm going to be looking for some raspberries. And I'm just kind of showing you some of the fruits in general. So they actually have raspberries right here. Those look really good. So those are 750 euros for 200 grams. This could be perfect. I could go down that way. Could go down this way. So anyways, we're going to be looking for raspberries and let's see. So let's gonna take a look. I think they have a lot of different things here. Let's see here. It says fruitique. Let me just check this out real quick. There's raspberries right there. Let me take a look at this other one too. Everything looks so lush.
I don't know, like I never...
$5.95. Hello. So those are $5.95. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. So actually it looks like they have a lot of raspberries in the different places. And we're just gonna kind of explore a little bit. Let's see. There's seafood. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I've been seeing these everywhere. Wine, seafood. Yeah, I think these are kind of like beer tents. Huh. That fish almost looks like Swedish. Flowers. That's kind of giving a little tour of this whole area as well. Get a little taste of what Munich looks like. The tourist area. Okay. Vegan. Actually, I have a raspberry place in mind, so I just wanted to give you a little tour of the streets. So I saw one that came in over here. I believe it's this one. Yeah, right here. These look really nice. This one. at these raspberries.
Einpacken oder no?
Can you wash it?
Wash,
So
no
I can
wash.
eat?
Try eat. No
It's
wash.
oh, no washing. I can eat it
eating.
without washing. Okay,
Eating, yeah.
sounds good. How much is it?
$2.99. Yeah,
$2.99.
Yes.
Let's see.
Darf ich? 1, 3, yeah?
Perfect.
One
Thank you so
cent?
much. Yeah.
Mixen?
Oh, okay.
So. Danke.
Thank you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Grüße.
Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna find a place to sit and eat this raspberries. I think we're gonna sit here, I think. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look and see what these look like. Wow. Wow. These are really juicy. Okay. So I found the raspberries.
Yeah.